Hey, what's up? It's your boy Konzabi Golden King, and you're welcome to this YouTube channel once again, man. It's been a long journey, and I just want to say thank you all for supporting me, for always being there, for watching, for liking, for subscribing. Tell you, it means a lot. We've got 184 subscribers already. That's awesome. I know I'm doing big things, but I'm doing them for you. And I hope we keep learning together and we keep inspiring each other because we are all young people, young folks. And the only thing we can do is to support each other, learn from each other, and grow together. That is what this channel is all about. It's all about how to make cash, how to make money online, basically in Ghana. Okay, so any young or youth out there who is in Ghana struggling, this is your platform. Join us. Let's push this agenda. And that is what we are going to do today, folks. Today we are going to talk about simply about 5 different ways you can earn passive income right here in Ghana. Okay, we're going to look at 5 different ways you can make cash in Ghana. Literally simple ways you can make money online. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. And just a quick reminder, please, if you're a new person, subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell notification, and give us a thumbs up because we're going to upload more content. I'm going to give you more details. And don't leave soon because the last thing I'm going to show you is going to be really interesting. The last one I'm going to share with you is going to teach you how to make money by investing in artist music. Okay, they are going to share their royalties with you. This platform would allow you invest in artist music, not the ones that are already released, but upcoming projects. Okay, so an artist, not just any artist. I mean, the popular artists we know, the good ones who are yet to, if they are about releasing their song, you can invest into that song, and as the song make progress, as the song pushes higher and higher, you too is going to earn from that. And that is the last thing I'm going to teach here. So let's just get started on what we are going to start with. Okay. So the first and foremost, which is a bit shocking and surprising, but I still recommend it as much as I don't want to, is YouTube. Yes. In fact, YouTube is one of the most simplest ways you can actually earn. Okay, many people will say it takes a long time to get your subscribers. It takes a very long time to, get up to 400,000 watch time before you can. I mean, that's bullshit. YouTube is the simplest and the cheapest way you can actually earn cash. Now, this is what you're going to do. YouTube has a way of growing that people don't know. If you're going to do YouTube as a young guy who is about to start from 0 subscribers, then you need to upload more content. As simple as that. The more content you upload, the more your chances of breaking through. If you have, if you're posting just a single video for 2 days or a week, you're not going to make any progress. You need to post at least 2 times or 3 times a day. Two videos a day, 3 videos a day, you're going to make progress. I bet you. And as you post more content, you begin to learn more about YouTube and you begin to appreciate how the growth is. Okay. It's going to be gradual, but you're going to get there. I can promise you, if you're posting 2 videos a day, you're going to hit 1,000 subscribers at the end of the year. Trust me, we are in February. Start doing it from today, and at the end of December, come back and thank me. Simple as that. Okay, so I'm going to show you simple things that you have to do on YouTube to possibly get more views and get more subscribers to your channel. First, you need to know how to bring out a title. Look for a specific niche as in what you want to talk about on your YouTube channel. For example, on my channel, it's all about how to make money. Okay, so if I'm always trying to upload a video, I come here and I type, see, how to make money online in Ghana. This can be your title. Okay, if it's about cooking, just like cooking, you see, cooking oil making machine, cooking videos, cooking challenge. It gives a suggestions of search um, results. Okay, so all these can be your uh, YouTube titles. Okay, and that can help you a lot. The next thing is going to be YouTube tags. Okay, YouTube tags. YouTube tags helps you a lot when you release your video. YouTube tags are very essential, and if you don't know what they are, you just have to come to YouTube tags and make sure you click and watch some of the videos that will teach you how to do YouTube tags to get more views. This will enable you rank higher and get more views on YouTube. With that being said, number one is YouTube. Let's move to the second thing. The second thing will be something I always love to do, and it's trading. Okay, you need to trade, you need to trade, you need to trade to make money. You have to trade. Okay, forex market. The forex market is one of the most, you know, the most rising industries in the world right now. Many people are trading the forex market, and it's always good you hop onto things like this as a young boy. You need to learn how to trade the forex market, put in some small cash and start trading. As you can see, my name Konzabi Gordon. I kept in a few cash, 2 days ago. Yes, and I traded on Friday and I got some profit. I, you know, ended with $24, and then I have $36. That's a big improvement to me. And if you learn how to trade, you could be making more. So the next thing is to learn how to trade. The next thing is importation business. You can actually start a mini importation business on your own. Import from China, import from Alibaba. They are the best in the market right now. There are a lot of videos on how to import from Alibaba. And I can tell you, if you don't know any shipping company in Ghana that can ship your goods from China to Ghana, just leave a comment below and I will help you get one. Definitely, I'll help you get one. So the next thing is importation business. It's very, very key and important. You can buy things as low as $1 from this side and buy things as low as $1. Beauty, okay, tools. You can buy things as low as $1 on this website and sell at a higher price when they get down here to Ghana. Simple as that, okay? And there are a lot of companies right now that will be willing to help you bring those products down to Ghana here to sell. As I was saying, this is around just $1, so about $5. You can buy that. This is almost 99 cents to about $5. Yeah, as I said, things here are very cheap and you can buy and actually sell to make more profit. The next thing I'm going to talk about, the third thing I'm going to talk about is Paxful. Okay, now Paxful is a platform that you upon to sell cryptocurrencies. All you need to do is to register with an account, get some money, deposit or buy some crypto and just hold it for some time. Okay, Bitcoin is on the rise. Bitcoin will rise. It's rising. It is rising gradually, and you could make more cash from it by holding it for some time and selling it back to people. These are passive income, and people make a whole lot of money from this particular website. I can tell you and tell you. And I've been doing this for some time too. Okay, let's hop on to the last one. Yes, 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 yes. Music Spliff. It's called Art Spliff. Now, Art Spliff is a new company in Nigeria, and what they are trying to do is to bring out upcoming artists, good upcoming artists. Okay, so they put their songs on their platforms and they bid for people to invest in them. Okay, so you put your money in a song that you like, and once the song does well, you'll possibly be making money from that. So it's just as listening to your own, listen to your favorite songs while you're still earning from your favorite songs. That is amazing, bro. That's amazing. And all you can do is just invest, click on invest, download their app. You could be making some good cash. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is your boy Consult Recording Jane. And like and subscribe as usual. We out.